Hey, Jeff Boat here, and I want to talk about how to maximize your effectiveness on Google. Now, this is one of my Google accounts. It's my main internet marketing account. Probably not my best account, but for the purpose of this video, it's definitely going to work, and I can show you what I need to do. So we're at youtube.com. I signed in. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, what you want to do is you want to go and create a new account. In the new account setting, you put in or when you go to create a new account, make sure you choose a Gmail account, because it's just easier to track everything. And if you don't have an account and you want to create an account for a specific purpose, I recommend that you create a new Gmail account for each account. And another thing is, you don't need to put in the phone verification at the point of when I'm creating this video. You don't need to enter in your phone number for phone verification from my experience, but it does definitely help. So if you can do that, then go for it. Okay, so once you've created your account in YouTube, there's a few things that I want you to know about if you're not aware, or you don't really know about the YouTube changes. One thing you definitely want to look at is go to the section on the sidebar here where there's different topics, trending, popular, music, entertainment. Click on that More tab, and you're going to see even more categories here. And depending on the type of video that you're creating, you definitely want to, at least from time to time, look at these various categories, especially categories like trending and popular, and news and politics, how to, style, science and technology. Those are some of my favorite categories in here, but again, it depends a lot on the videos. The reason why you want to check out these categories is just to see how other effective videos are doing things. So if I clicked on popular, I could see, one thing that sticks out to me is a lot of these videos have splash pages that just jump out at you. As you can see here, these guys are screaming and putting their hands up, and it just jumps out at you that this is something that really catches your attention and draws your eye. So something like bright colors, and you can do this within your video. You have to kind of time it to create the still image at a particular time in your video. I believe there's one at halfway point, and then there's one a little bit after the start and a little bit before the end. So you might have to play around with it and figure out how to time it, and then you use that image to show up for your video. So definitely try to do that, or try to use the most appealing of your three options when you upload your video. Okay, and also look at the titles. As you can see, there's a lot of totally capitalized titles here, and completely capitalized words that really draw attention. Like I said, you're looking to draw attention, and you're looking to get more eyeballs on your videos. And then you're also looking at these various categories to find some topics that are popular that you could potentially create and make some money with similar popular videos. Okay, let's go over to my channel. I want to show you a few things that I recommend you do with your channel. As you can see here, this is my channel. I have a custom background, and immediately it takes them to a feature tab, which is all of my videos. So what you need to do is go into settings, and you need to put in a background here if you don't have one already. You can also choose a color. I have no repeat because I have a large background there, and I just basically browse for it in here and then saved it in there. You can also have an avatar, which is going to draw more attention. The avatar is right there, and it just gets more people to your channel. So it could be an image that says subscribe to my channel. It could be an image of yourself. just something that either gets attention or draws some sort of interest. Those two things very important. Make sure you do them. Add a simple little title and description about your channel. Add some tags and try to keep them relevant to whatever your channel is. And then make sure this is checked, visibility on YouTube, and you want to have a custom channel URL. So instead of the random numbers that YouTube gives you, you want to name it something, keyword optimize, all this stuff, in order to both bring in visitors and get direct traffic from various keywords. When people search, they're going to find your channel if it's optimized for a specific keyword, if that's your goal. You also want it to appeal to visitors, like I said, as well. And then what you want to make sure you do is have a default tab and set it as a featured tab, and make sure you check that box. And the reason for this is, as you can see here on my channel, I have, once you set enable feature tab here, you want to click on Blogger, and what it's going to do is have a reverse chronological list of your recent uploaded videos. So that instead of having a bunch of random things here, what it's actually going to have is your videos. So it just makes people interested in actually checking out your actual videos that you created. It will get more eyeballs on your videos versus the regular tab, which I believe is feeds. It's either feeds or, well, I don't know exactly what it is. I don't remember. But anyways, you want to single out people just to check out your actual videos. You don't want them going off and checking out someone else's videos. So make sure you set up that featured tab section. Make sure you enable it and all of that, and you're going to get more videos or more views to your videos as more people go and check out your channel. So those are a few YouTube tactics that are going to make you more money. They're simple to do, only take a few seconds to set up. And another thing is, when you go to upload your video, you can either upload it directly. Make sure that you use the keyword optimization for all of that. You can also record video from a webcam, which is really easy to do. You just click on that link, and then you're just gonna set up your settings, choose allow, and go from there. Now, one other thing you can do is go to your settings tab, which you can drop down from here and choose settings, and you want to make sure that you have your avatar there, so that people are seeing a picture rather than the random YouTube picture, which doesn't draw any eyeballs at all. So like I said, a picture of you, something that says subscribe to my channel, or something that gets people's attention. It's that's definitely important. And you can even use your still image from your videos as your account image. So that's about it. Hope you got some useful information out of this video, and I look forward to talking with you soon.